Hello everyone, I'm Sherene from Machines Tatara Palawan, Melaka. I hope that everyone is safe at home and are doing well. In today's video, we're going to share to you about one of our latest accessories, which is the AirTag. First and foremost, you need to make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to iOS 14.5 and above. Now, let me show you how easily you can set up your AirTag. Make sure you have to turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for the pairing. Take out the AirTag from the box and bring it near to your iPhone or iPad. You will see a pop-up window appear on the screen and simply tap Connect. Rename your AirTag and register the AirTag to your Apple ID. And just like that, you have paired the AirTag successfully. Imagine, you are in a rush to work. You can't seem to find your key and you will ask your housemate, roommate, even your family member have they seen your keys, right? You will keep thinking where did you last place your keys. But now, you don't need to worry anymore. With AirTag, you can play a sound on the built-in speaker, so it will be easy for you to look for your item. You can just tap into Find My App. If it's hiding nearby like under the sofa or in the next room, then you can just follow the sound and your search is over.
Hi everyone, my name is Zai and I'm from Machine Aeon Bandar Melaka. Apple AirTag battery will last for about a year and your iPhone will warn you when the battery is low. Let me show you how to replace the battery. Press down with your thumb on opposite edges of the silver casing. Keep pressing down and rotate counterclockwise. When the silver top is loose, remove it. Take out the battery that's now exposed. Insert a new CR2032 battery with the positive sign up. Replace the silver top cover. Press down with your thumb and rotate the cover clockwise. You will hear the AirTag give a little chime, and then you're done. If you found an AirTag and would like to know who it belongs to, you just need to place the AirTag at the back of your iPhone and you will get a pop-up to open Safari. Once you tap on the pop-up, it will show you the information of the AirTag and you may contact the owner to return it. Last but not least, if you need extra coverage for your devices, you may add on our machine protection plan. Apple provides 1 year hardware coverage, while machine protection plan provides additional 1 year coverage for accidental damage. To learn more about new Apple products, you can visit our website machine.com.my or head over to the nearest machine outlet. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.